Hey everyone and welcome back. We'll explain today we have this simple but two math question. Try to solve it in 10 seconds. New time start now. Okay, time's up. We are going to solve this. We have our maths problem 80 divided by 2 parenthesis 5 square minus 50. So this is a simple math question and we will solve with the help of PEMDAS or you can say order of operations. And according to PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This multiplication and division have the same priority, and addition and subtraction have the same priority also. And first preference will be given to this parenthesis. So first we will solve for this parenthesis part, which is 5 square minus 15. And here we can write 5 squared as 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 will give result 25 here. So we can simply write 25 on the place of 5 square. So here our expression will be 80 divided by 2 parentheses 25 minus 15. Now we will do this parenthesis operation and we will when we operate this 25 minus 50 we will get answer here 10. So we can write 80 divided by 2 times 10. Now here, as we can see, two operation that is multiplication and division. And as you know, multiplication division are in same criteria, so we will do left to right way. So we will solve left to right way. Don't try to solve this multiply first, which is 2 times 10. And when we solve, we will get answer 80 divided by 2 times 10, which is 20. And 80 divided by 20 will get 4 as an answer. But this will not be answer, given the right answer. So how we solve? We will rewrite 80 divided by 2 times. We will first solve this operation, which is 80 divided by 2, and this will give result here 40. So we can write 40 times 10, and 40 times 10 will give result here 400. So 400 is the right answer. And if you want more math videos, then subscribe us for more videos. Thanks for watching.